Hi, let's talk about the Big Bang. This is fun. I think the Big Bang is so interesting. The book Big Bang by Simon Singh, if you really want to know about the Big Bang, great book. Excellent history, really good discussion, fabulous stories. So here it is in a nutshell. There was, let's say, 10 billion years ago, okay? Really, the estimate on the universe, the age of the universe is between 10 and 20 billion years ago. We're going to go kind of conservative, a younger universe, and say 10, okay, 10 billion years, if that can be considered young. Now, how did everything come into existence? Here's the idea. There was a pearl, okay, so about this size. There was a pearl, and that pearl exploded. Now, where did that come from? All of that, okay, still really up for debate. Here's the bottom line, I don't know. We don't know, scientists don't know. But there was a singularity, okay? There was this pearl, this point that exploded. And at that point, time, space, matter, and energy all came into existence. Love it. So all of the energy, think about the sun shining on us and the energy that we get from that. The energy for me to move my hands and sometimes act like a crazy person. All that energy was released at that moment in time. Matter, okay? Think about flying in the air and you look down how huge the earth is, or looking up at the stars, how the grandeur and the immensity of the universe, all that matter, the stuff, my hands, okay, touching the cabinet, everything came into existence at this point in time with that explosion. So this little pearl released all energy, all matter, time came into existence, space came into existence, okay? Now, everything was released out, and it was really, really hot. So we couldn't have, as you and I understand it, nuclei, protons and neutrons together, super, super, super hot, okay? So these particles are moving around and they're moving. You're thinking of like a balloon blowing up, they're moving, and as they're moving, they're beginning to cool down. Well, it took 300,000 years for the universe to cool down enough that we could have the first atoms. And it was with that there was a moment that boom, let there be light. Light came into existence when the universe was about 300,000 years old. Cosmic background radiation is our evidence for that. And I talk about that in the evidence for the Big Bang video if you'd like to watch that. Also very interesting. Now, to put this in perspective, if the universe was equivalent to a 70-year-old man, light came into existence when that man was 6 hours old. So that kind of gives you a perspective at what point light came into existence. So there it is. If you're wondering, what is the Big Bang? It's our explanation for how things came to be. Now, how the Big Bang came to be, that we don't know. Still debate on that. But as far as time, space, matter, energy, really good evidence that it was a moment when all of that came into being. So pretty cool. Look at the video on evidence. Again, it's under the nuclear chemistry playlist, and you'll find it fascinating, the evidence for the Big Bang. All right, have a nice day. If you want a good book, The Big Bang by Simon Singh. All right, thanks.